Okay, so we're asked to decompose this function into f of u and then u. So the notation's kind of heavy here, but basically what they're saying is you're writing a function and then you're coming up with another function so that if you put this one into this function, it turns back into what we started with. So it's like one way I think of it is I break them into like an outer function and an innermost function, right? So the outermost function to me is the third power. Everything inside here is getting raised to the third power. So if we let f of u be u to the third, because u is the variable they're telling us to use, then the inside function, this u, would be everything that's in here. So u would be x over 3 plus 3 over x. And now if you do what they say, if you plug in u into f of u, you get out the same function. And they're having us break it down like that, I think because they're just trying to emphasize the chain rule. Okay, because the chain rule says you take a derivative of that outermost function and then multiply by the derivative of the innermost function. So the outermost function is the exponent of 3. The 3 comes down and multiplies. The u, the innermost function, stays the same. And now we multiply by the derivative of the innermost function. So the derivative of u happens next. So the derivative of x to the third is just 1 over x. And then the derivative of 3x to the negative first, that's going to be actually a negative 3 over x squared. And that's it. I don't know. I think that you could just type it in like that and WebAssign should accept it. I don't see anything immediately that would help us clean it up. And then if you're wondering about that last derivative, the derivative of this term, that's 3 over x, that's 3x to the negative first. So the derivative means that negative 1 comes down and multiplies, and then it gets reduced by 1. Okay. So that's why this derivative is this. Okay, but that should be it.